Commissioner Elections, CEF number 24. Certificate of Canvas of Votes and Proclamation of Winning We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that they have duly canvassed the votes cast in 1,584 Class 56 for the candidates wherein for Mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached to and forming part thereof is the statement of votes by precincts, CEF number 20-8, garnered by each candidate for the office of Mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Dumagoso Isko Moreno garnered 580,825 votes for the office of Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named Mayor of NCR City of Manila, Province of NCR Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and we print our landmarks in the City of Manila, Province of NCR Manila on May 13, 2025, 8:50 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jenny Memeles, Chairperson, Giovanni Dini, Vice Chairperson, Teresa Lumeda, Member Secretary.
Pamilya Dumagoso. Nasaan na si Ian?
Lalo po uwi na.
Di ba siya?
Uwi na.
Congratulations, Pamilya Dumagoso. Ayun na, pagkakakuha ng pamilya.
I have no words, but thanks to the people of Manila. I'm grateful to each and every citizen of the city. In this type of mandate, I really owe it to you. I will do my best to be a better mayor of the city. And lastly, alam ko sa June 30 pa umupo, baka naman kung may visa pa yung salita ko na yun. Wala tayo bukas! Everyone, nananawagan ako sa inyo. Let's start healing this island. Too many words, hurtful words, thrown to us and to you. I know. But sabi nga, let's be magnanimous in people. Ano sa inyo lahat, kaupahin nyo na ang damdamin ninyo.
Yes!
Huwag tayo magaway-away. Let's move on with our lives. We must work together because together we can make Manila.
Sa lahat ng viewers ni Dodoy Te, ito, yun, steady lang kayo dyan sa Gedli. Please continue to watch the videos and please do subscribe. Ingat kayo. God first.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.